get a majority of the people them will be registered inside this process for votes inside the elections. Well, the Western area urban, we found out say we get about 606,000. Take a look at the map. When you look at the map, you find out say the Western area urban, we get about 606,939. That's not the total amount of people we been registered for votes inside this election. And we assume say if them people have been voting and then go for where you register and then go for go votes, we could get this same kind of amount of 606,783. Take a look at the map, you will see. But by the votes them in the non-count, now the Western urban for the presidential aspirant them, we see say now 156, and we get still a remaining of 606,783. Out of this 156, we see the presidential candidates for the APC party, where Dr. Samuel Kamara gets 145, the SLPP gets nil, NGC 10, C4C nil, ADP 1, and the remaining others, them not get nothing out of this 156 votes where they don't count. That's not all for the Western area urban. Well, away from the Western area urban, we move over to Bonth. We're in the southern parts of the country. Well, now Bonth, from the map we get, the statistics self we neck being given at the amount of people in that way being registered for votes, we see say the total number of voters for be 92,183. 92,183. Now they've been registered from according to the statistics we neck being given say that they for votes inside these elections. And para number day, we see say 262 now the votes and that's we don't meet we say the non-constant votes and they already they say yes we don't done it so now and we still get a remaining of 91,921 votes then we still they will not terminate. But from what we understand, at 1 p.m. NEC go all a press briefing we then get for GUI. From what we understand, at 25% of the votes cast. Well, out of these 262 votes where the non-count, we see say the APC party, the presidential candidate, get 7 votes. SLPP gets 251 votes. NGC gets 1, we in a candidate called Yumkela, and the remaining others them share 3 votes. Well, away from Bonth, we move over to Bo, we still now the southern part of the country. Remember, say this now provisional results, then we meet you from the African Voices Media Empire, and we remain and continue for being your home of factual, credible, and balanced news coverage. And that's now one key reason we make it for always be fixed and stay glued to AYV television and self we radio. Well, now both districts we in the southern parts of the country, and now one place where we understand say gets the highest number of people and we register now the southern region for votes inside the March 7th elections we done yesterday. Now neck the collates and count. Well, now both districts we understand say the total number of people who have been registered from the map. Take a look at the map and see. This is now the map of both districts. Take a look and see we get 284,348. That's not the total amount of people who have been registered for votes inside these elections. And we assume say if them people here will be not go vote, we will not go register and they all votes. Now this amount of votes we get with the common parts of the country. Well, from them people here will be registered, we get about 3,997. Now them votes here they don't count. Them already neck done with them. And we still get a remaining of 280,351. Now it's still left. But how do we share them votes here? We see the APC party, them presidential candidates with Dr. Samuel Kamara gets 333 votes when they don't count from the southern region of Bo district. And the SLPP party gets 3,029 votes with retired Brigadier Julius Marabio. The NGC gets 86, C4C gets 10, ADP gets 8, CDP gets 2, and the remaining other presidential candidates them get 45 votes. Out of these 3,997 votes. Remember, say, plenty other votes they wait for coming, and this is not just a small amount of the votes them. But we there for gear updates and votes here. Well, now we move over to Falaba. We now the northwestern region. Well, now Falaba, the total number of people them we being registered, where the statistics when they give you say Now 65,761. Now that's the map. Take a look, you will see 65,761. And so if you take a look at the charts, we get a blue, yellow, and light green. You will find out, see, top of farm, now the total number of votes them, the total number of registered voters them, we take a look at the charts. Just look below, just after the map, now the charts, you will find out, see, now the total number that. And panel people here, we go votes. We see, say, the number of votes they were in non-count, now 199. So you find out, say, plenty of other votes still there. And the votes will still remaining for coming, now 65,562. But out of the share them votes here, we see beside the APC party get 102 votes as we talk. SLPP gets 54 votes. NGC, we in a Kane College, get 33. ADP gets 4. CDP gets 1. And the remaining other party them being get for share the remaining 5 votes. But them votes then they don't come in inside the 199. But away from Falaba, we move over to Tonkolili district, we now the northern part of the country. And remember, say this now one part of the district where people be only consider the stronghold of the APC party. Now Tonkolili district, let's take a look at the map. Let me take a look. The map will pop up very shortly. Okay, the map don't come up. Take a look at the map and see. You find out, see, now at Tonkolili district, we get a total number of registered voters. Then they got 204,231. That's not the total number of voters that we get. We from according to NEC, they say that them people here been registered or say they want to be part of these elections. We don't end up yesterday, March 7th. Well, out of them people here, the amount of votes them we in the non-count for the presidential candidates them as we talk, now 1,607. Take a look at the charts just below the map. You will see the charts where they show you 3 different colors. The one represents the total number of people them will be registered. The one represents the remaining number of voters, if you can see with the yellow, and another one where they just below, where that green, they show you the amount of votes them with the non-counts. Well, now Tonkolili district, we get 1,607 votes. Now them, the National Electoral Commission from reports which we say them don't count. But how them be share them votes here now Tonkolili district, them votes here with the non-counts. Remember, I say we still get remaining number where we get boku votes we still need for coming. But out of the number here, we get the APC party, we get the presidential candidates, we Dr. Samura Kamara gets about 511. The SLPP gets 16. The NGC winner, Dr. Kane College Mkera, gets 115. And C4C winner, Chief Alhaji Samuel Samsumana, gets 16. ADP Kamarimba Mansari gets 24. CDP winner, Musa Tarawali, gets 10. And the remaining other presidential candidates, and the remaining other parties, them being get just 21. Then share the remaining 21 votes with the non-counts. And that's now for Tonkolili districts, who side the amount of votes in the non-counts, now 1,607. Away from Tonkolili, we come now Kenema district. Kenema, you gonna say, now one of the areas where people be only consider for be the stronghold of the Severin People's Party. Well, now Kenema district, the amount of people them we been registered for be part by the election for vote. Take a look at the map, you go see now 280,141. You can see now the map now the total number of people in that way NEC been tell we say been registered for votes. Then if you look just below the map, you look at the charts, you will see say the total number of people in there, now that number I just tell you, and the number they win the non-count, the votes they win the non-count, and then people here been votes inside these elections, the votes they win the non-count, now 6,243. Just take a look, you will see with that green, and it tell you say this is now the total number of people them where really them in non-count as we talk. Remember, say plenty other number the way they still need for count. And the remaining now 273,898. But how them be share them votes here? We see the APC party get 644. The presidential candidates we now Dr. Samura Kamara, the retired Brigadier Julius Madabio gets 1,518. the presidential candidates for the National Grand Coalition Party, we in NGC get 26. C4C, we in Chief Alhaji Samuel Samsumana get 14. The ADP, we in Mohammed Kambari Mansari gets 23. CDP gets 1. And the remaining other parties them being get for share the remaining 29 votes as we talk. Now the amount of votes in that we them don't count for Kenema district, we're in the eastern part of the country. Well, from Kenema, we go to Koinadugu. Now, Koinadugu, from waiting we get at the map and from waiting the results we neck been given and the amount of people in there where we've been registered for be part of these elections. The number will pop up just now. But I would say that 84,293. We go take a look at the map and see. From the map, you go find out say we get 84,293. And just below the map, you will see that the charts them where they show you see the blue, as I tell you, say represents the total number of people we been go register. The yellow, they show you the remaining number of people, the votes that we still get with for counts. And the green, the light green, I mean, they just below. They show you the number of votes that we neck don't count. Well, the number of votes that we neck don't count from the votes we get here. Now 223. Out of this 223, the APC party, the presidential candidates, Dr. Samura Kamara gets 100 of them votes here. And the SLPP candidates get 41 of them votes here. NGC gets 72. C4C gets 3. ADP 1. CDP 2. And the remaining other presidential candidates share the remaining 4 votes. As we talk, now this don't reach that now for Koinadugu district. Away from Koinadugu district, we move over to Moyamba district. Well, from we map, we will find out see Moyamba district, the total number of people we've been registered for votes. Now Moyamba district, take a look at the map, you will find out see from the map we get 147,041. Now the total number of registered voters in Nandi in Moyamba district. And just below the map, you will see say now the charts. That charts they show you see out of that 147,041 day, 146,838 voters them and still were not counted out of this number. And the total number of voters them, the votes that we don't count as we talk. Now in the light green, just look below, you will find out say now 203. Now they don't count. That Moyamba district, we're in the southern part of the country. But how them been shared them votes here? We find out say the APC party gets 129. We in the presidential candidates, we in Dr. Samura Kamara. He gets 129. The retired Brigadier Julius Madabiu gets 60. Kane Koleyum Kela gets 8 of the NGC party. C4C, we in Chief Alhaji Samuel Samsumana gets 1. The ADP party gets 3. CDP gets 1. And the remaining other party they share the 1 vote. That's not for Moyamba district. But these members say that the provisional results we don't meet we are the African Young Voices Media Empire. We are your home of factual, credible and balanced news coverage. Away from Moyamba district, we will move over to Potloko district. Now Potloko district, now get the highest number of voters them na the northwestern region than the northwestern region. Potloko district, now get the highest number of voters than that corner day. We find out say the number of registered voters them na 233,962. Now the total number of voters them will be registered for be part of this election now Potloko district. And out of that number, the total votes we don't count. Take a look at the map, you will see. Take a look at the map and the charts, you will find out see the map will pop up just now in the charts. Just take a look at the charts. Let me focus on the charts. You will find out see from the charts, you see the total number of registered voters, and just after you find out see we get the remaining number of votes that we still need for coming in. And just below, you find out see you will get the total number of votes that we don't count. So the National Electoral Commission, we are the body we responsible for announce election results. Now that number of votes then they see they don't count as we talk. But how many number of votes then we don't count? We get 968, and we still get 232,994 votes. Now it's still remaining for coming. But how do we share these 968 votes? The APC party and presidential candidates, we now Dr. Samura Kamara, It gets 511 out of this number. Retired Brigadier Julius Maada Bio gets 99. The presidential candidate for NGC gets 289. The C4C presidential candidate gets 5. ADP 27. And CDP gets 6. The remaining other presidential candidates them for the other parties them being share the 31 votes out of the one away the non-count. And that's now for Port Harcourt district. When away from Port Harcourt district, we go now the western area rural. The western area rural, we get a total number of registered voters. We now 282,348. Of course, the map just don't pop up. You will see from the map. Now the total number of people in there they will get for the western area rural. Now the total number of votes that they will get. And out of that number, the numbers we don't count now 6,261. 6,261 as we talk. That the amount of votes than they will neck don't count. You will see I'm in the light green. Just take a look at it below, just after the yellow, where they show you say that the remaining number than they will left. And out of that remaining number, where you add and pada, we don't count, now than they go get. So out of now the western area rural, we get a total number of votes. We now 6,261. Naim, the National Electoral Commission winner next see they don't count. But out of this number, how do we share them votes here? We see the All People's Congress Party, then presidential candidate, winner Dr. Samuel Kamara. Take a look. Dr. Samuel Kamara, they come in very shortly. Okay, it don't come in. Under Dr. Samuel Kamara, winner the APC party, you find out say it gets us with the talk. Take a look and see. It gets 2,928 votes. We neck don't count. And the SLPP candidate, winner retired Brigadier Julius Maada Bio, get 1,617 votes as we talk. Now that number of votes the way next year they don't count for now the western area rural. And NGC gets 226 votes with the non-count, C4C 41, ADP, the presidential candidates, we na Mohamed Kamari Mamansari get 27, CDP Musa Tarawali get 19, and the remaining other presidential candidates them, the other parties them, get 51 of this total number of votes. And that's now for the western area rural. And finally, we come now Pujaun districts. We take on back to the southern region from the western area rural. We take on back now the southern region. We now Pujaun district. Remember, say this now provisional results of the elections will take place yesterday, March 7th. This not just a result that we don't meet we, and this not provisional as I say. This not a home of factual, credible, and balanced news coverage. AYV Media Empire, you get win a radio and television. For Pujaun districts, we see say the total number of registered voters now 101,250. Take a look at the map. We will just pop up very shortly. You will see now the map very shortly. You will see this amount of votes. See now the total number of voters then dandy. Take a look. Wow, the map is here. This is the total number of people we be registered for take part inside these elections. And you find out say we still get a remaining of 101,026 votes. We still the National Electoral Commission say they not count it. Assuming all things being equal, say then total number of people that have been registered today. Now the votes. Now the total number of votes this will no say still need for coming. Out of this total number of votes, we get 224 votes where the National Electoral Commission say they don't count. Now the total number of votes that we will get. How do we share them votes here? The presidential candidate for the APC party, we na Dr. Samuel Kamara, get 35 votes. Dr. Samuel Kamara gets 35 votes out of this 224. The presidential candidate for the Seven People's Party, we na Brigadier retired Julius Maada Bio, gets 179 votes. The NGC presidential candidates, we na Dr. Kande Kole Yumkela, he gets 1 vote. C4C, not get any voted, but then vote here non count. ADP gets 1, and CDP gets 1. The remaining other presidential candidates them get 7. And so far so good. Now that we get for Wuna as part of the provisional results that we don't come in from right across the country, and that's now for the presidential candidates that will be contest inside yesterday, March 7th presidential election. And as I tell you, we continue for being your home of factual, credible, and balanced news coverage. We na AYV Media Empire. You get me already in television. And I go on now back over to me colleagues them na Studio 1. We na Antonia Howard and Stella Bangura.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.